Hello world, my name is Olushama Farah. Today we are going to be learning the observer design pattern. So what is the observer design pattern? The observer design pattern is a behavioral type of design pattern that defines a one-to-many relationship between objects. This pattern is used to allow an object, which we also call the subject, to maintain a list of its dependents called the observers. And we notify the observers of any state changes, usually by calling a method in the observer. We can take a look at a real world example where we use this pattern to create a product, which will be our subjects. And whenever we update the stock of the product, we would notify a shop, which will be the observer of the product. To write the code, we're going to be using the browser. To use the browser to write and run our code, I'm going to go to a new tab. I'm going to right click to inspect this page. Then I'm going to navigate into sources, select the drop down, go into snippets, create a new snippet and call it observer.js. In here, we are going to be creating a product class. This product class is the subject we want to observe, and we are also going to be creating observers, which are the shop classes. Down here, these two guys, those are going to be our observers. Let's go ahead and create our product class. We are going to say class product. When we create the product class, we are going to give it a name, a value of 0 for the stock number, and an array of observers that will observe this product class. We can add in new observers by pushing them into the observers array we define in the constructor. We can also remove an observer by finding the index and splicing that observer from the observers array. We will then proceed to do a for loop to run the update method in an observer. I'm passing this object, which is the product class, as the sole argument of the observer. Cool. Our final method for this product class is going to be the set method, the set stock method, excuse me. Every time we call this method to update the product stock value, we will also call the notify observers method in order to update each observer of the state change. Now that we have our product class, which is the subject, we are going to be creating the shop class, which is the observer. We are going to be keeping this class very simple. In the constructor, all we are going to be doing is setting a name, and in the update function, all we are going to do is running the console log. If we are remembering correctly, in the notify observers method, we are calling that update function, which is the same as the update function in the shop class. Cool. Now we can come back down here and we can tell this product to add observer, which would be shop1 for the first one. And we would also say product dot add observer shop2. Now that we've asked this product to be observed from both shops, we can then modify the product stock, set stock. I'm going to say 20. Cool. We are now going to run this function by right clicking on it and clicking run. Cool. Now in the console log, we can see it says shop1 is notified. Banana is now in stock 20. Shop2 is notified. Banana is now in stock 20. So that's it, guys. That's the observer pattern. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Have a good rest of your day.